Meaning of ical.
ical,
Ical.
ical,
Ical. The suffix ical is used to create adjectives that indicate a relationship with or a characteristic of something. It is usually added to a noun or a base word to form an adjective. The resulting word often describes the nature, quality, or behavior of the object or concept that the base word refers to. For example, historical means related to history, logical means characterized by logic, and theoretical means relating to or based on theory. In essence, ical creates an adjective that describes a particular aspect or property of the thing it's attached to.